All right, so we're gonna start here with this apron. The apron's pushed back a little bit. I'm gonna attempt to pull it out, try to pull this out and just see what we got going on, see what we got to replace. I'm gonna weld a bolt over here, I think is where I'm gonna start. Let's see if I can pull this out. Although I might try to weld something here and pull this out. Might actually have to do it from both spots. Here we attempt to pull out the apron and get the radiator support section pulled out. I applied heat to the apron while pulling it out. Used a hammer to help vibrate the metal to get it to pull out, and actually got a great deal of it pulled out. All right, this is what we got now. It's ugly, but I got it all welded up. We'll see how she does. Start cranking it a little bit. Man, oh, that didn't last long. All right, we have to go to the drawing board. All right, I think I'm gonna end up changing this apron. I'm gonna replace this support. I'm gonna change the apron. Looks like I gotta take the door off to get to this fender, or to be able to remove this fender. I don't know if you can see it. If I put a little light on it. That fender bolt down there. I gotta take the fender or the door off to get to that bolt because there's a little cover over it. So I'm gonna start taking these bolts off and I'm gonna take the door off. got the apron off the car. The top shell of the apron was like pretty much the only damaged part. Everything else looks good. It's nice and straight. Had to throw a little paint on the spots I ground down so we don't get any rust. But thanks for watching. Please subscribe and stay tuned for new videos.